So plant gang, I want to tell you about another barberry. This is Berberis thunbergii. Aurea is the cultivar, and we're just using Aurea as a very generic cultivar for the gold-leaved Japanese barberry. Now, there are several different cultivars. In fact, we're looking at a kind of a smaller dwarf cultivar of the golden Japanese barberry. But what you need to know is this is the barberry with golden leaves. It can be used in a variety of landscape situations, in particular where you need a gold accent. Completely covered in thorns. We give great deal. You should also check out our other barberry video. But if you want to see just the gold one, this is the one for you. It's just about to bloom. And so we're seeing little buds here, and the flowers are pretty inconspicuous, but still very nice. This is a plant that is a go-to, in particular for traffic control, but in really sunny situations. So Berberis thunbergii Aurea. Now I do need to shout out a warning here at the beginning that some of these Berberis thunbergii are considered to be invasive plants. So you really need to know where you live. Is this an invasive plant where you live? Now I have seen some seedlings here in East Tennessee of Berberis thunbergii, not a whole lot, but I know in particular in the Great Plains, the Midwest, that this is a do not plant invasive. Japanese barberry, the golden Japanese barberry. This is a deciduous to semi-evergreen shrub in the Berberis family, native to Japan like the name suggests, hardy from zones 4 through 8. Can get up to 6 foot high and spread out up to 7 foot wide. But there are miniature and dwarf smaller cultivars that are also available in the market. You can use it as a hedge in a naturalized area. It grows easily in average soil. Can handle really kind of tough landscape situations, and that's why it's been planted. You see this is kind of like a parking lot median plant that can handle a variety of conditions. Also has no real serious insect or disease problems, has some susceptibility to bacterial leaf spot, anthracnose. The roots can rot in overly wet, saturated soils, but overall really tough plant. But you need to be judicious when you plant it to make sure that in your area it's not going to be invasive to your woodlands, that sort of thing. Here's a landscape tip. Use as an accent for small areas in the landscape, being judicious to plant only in areas where it's not invasive.